Hello everybody, in this video we are going to install Unity, and you can see that I am in my system. I already have 5.6.4 version of Unity, but we will install later version of Unity. So first of all, we will go to click on this get started, and here you can see the plan and prices for several versions: enterprise, pro, plus, but we need free version of Unity. So we'll click here, and here we will find Unity personal, or you can click on get Unity also. We will click on Unity personal. So because the personal is the free version, then we can click on get started, and then you can see that Unity is asking that you are first time user or returning user. We will click on go here because we are returning user, and then here it will say that please accept our terms. So we will accept the terms of Unity, and then we will click on Unity Hub. So we actually, first of all, we will download the hub. Okay, so we will click on keep, and then it will take some time to install the Unity Hub, and while at this time we will pause the video. So you can see that we have Unity Hub exe. So we will click on this icon, and then we will allow, and then hopefully Unity Hub will be installed by I agree install. Okay, so it's installing now. So after installation process, we will be get back. So installation is completed, so we will click on finish, and it will run the Unity Hub. So that's great. Now we can close this browser. We don't need this browser anymore. Unity Hub icon is also here, so we can access the Unity Hub from here as well. So now you can see that we have this window, and we can manage our licenses. Okay, so first of all, you can see you have no valid license. Okay, so we can click on manage license, and it says that you need to be logged in to manage your license. So we will log in. You should have a Unity account on Unity website by signing up. So if not, you can click here and create a new one. I already have one, so I will add that account here. And sign in. So there is password error. Okay, no problem, I will manage it. So now it's logged in. I hope Unity license information is invalid. So now I'm logged in, and you can see an icon here and the informations here. Okay, so first of all, we will go to general. If we go to general. You can see there is Unity editor folder and there is a editor path. If you already have a Unity editor, you can select here and then save. Otherwise, we will go to license management and activate a new license. So we will select Unity personal. Then you can select I don't use Unity in a professional capacity. Then you can click on done. So it will activate your license. So Unity personal is a great place and for hobbyists, access our code engine and everything is fine. So now what we can do, we will go to advanced and we can select the release channel, beta or production, and actually I don't found the, yeah, actually we will go one step earlier and we will go to installs. Okay, so here in installs we will add the version of Unity we want to install. So here one thing is that we should install 2019.4.7 F1 version. Don't install the 2020.1 version because there are some I installed that and there are some bugs there, and also the asset store tab is not available there, so we can't access the asset store from 2020th version. So click on next. So here you can see it have some modules here now. Okay, so whatever modules you need, for example we don't need documentation, just uncheck this. Then whatever you need, if you want to build for iOS you should accept this one. If you want to build for Mac you should accept this one. Okay, we need only for PC and Android, so we will select Android. Also select the Android SDK and NDK tools and open JDK tool. Okay, it's must, so please select these two fields as well. And then we need the Microsoft Visual Studio community as well, because the newer versions no longer support mono develop editor. So after this we will click on next and it will start installing our product, and that's it for Unity installation. And that's the whole process of installing the Unity onto your system. Okay, so it starts, and when this blue line will clear, our Unity will be ready for work. So that's it for this video. In next video we'll meet with new topic and new chapter.